Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit absolutely safe. Switch off the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester so you know the socket is cold. Once done, remove the bulb and any shade to expose the holder. This gives clear access to screws and wire tails. You want insulated tools and a connector or solder at hand because you will be joining conductors next. Make sure to keep the wiring neat so you can identify live, neutral, and earth as you begin the connection. Now you identify each conductor. Use the tester to reconfirm which is live, which is neutral, and which is earth because misidentifying will cause faults. Next, strip about 1/2 inch of insulation, twist stranded wires to prevent fraying, and tin them if you plan to solder. This improves conductivity and prevents loose fibers. If using connectors, choose the correct size and fit crimp ferrules with a proper crimper. These steps create a durable Attach each prepared wire to its matching terminal on the bulb holder. Live to live, neutral to neutral, earth to ground. Tighten terminal screws firmly while holding the conductor in place. A loose screw creates heat and arcing. Once tightened, restore any insulation you removed and reassemble the fixture. After reapplying power, test with a bulb and the non-contact tester. If you see flicker or heat at the terminal, switch off and red-itin or redo the connector. Poor contact is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.